Imagine turning your living room into a cozy Christmas movie set without dropping needles, fighting tangled lights, or blowing your budget. In this video, we'll explore 21 carefully picked Christmas trees, from tiny tabletop designs to tall showstoppers, including one that pops up in seconds. By the end, you'll know exactly which tree fits your space, your style, and your holiday vibe. 1. 6-foot artificial Christmas tree. This 6-foot Casa Clausi artificial Christmas tree is built to look like a premium pine, with 1,000 branch tips that fluff out into a full realistic shape, perfect for ornaments and ribbon. The eco-friendly PVC needles keep their color season after season, while the sturdy metal stand folds for quick storage. With its simple 3-step 1-minute assembly, it's ideal for busy families who want a classic holiday centerpiece without dropped needles or yearly tree shopping or messy, time-consuming setup hassles. 2. GTPLAYER 6-foot Christmas tree. The GTPLAYER 6-foot Christmas tree gives you that full, classic pine look without the drama. With 1,000 bendable branch tips and a 40-inch base, it fluffs into a lush shape that easily shows off lights, ornaments, and garlands. Non-flammable PVC branches and a sturdy foldable metal stand mean this tree is built to last. Quick 3-step assembly makes it perfect for renters, first-time decorators, or anyone who wants big impact with minimal holiday effort year after year of cozy celebrations. 3. 6-foot green spruce pre-lit artificial Christmas tree with multicolor lights. This 6-foot Himimi green spruce pre-lit tree comes ready to shine, with 956 full PVC branches and 300 multicolor lights built in. You get 8 lighting modes, from steady glow to twinkling party vibes, so it fits everything from movie nights to Christmas parties. The lush, bushy profile looks like a real evergreen and leaves plenty of room for gifts underneath durable. Fade-resistant materials keep it looking vivid and festive for many holiday seasons to come without sagging, shedding, or fading. 4. 5FT Pop-up Christmas tree with 90 LED lights. The BTU 5-foot pop-up Christmas tree is the ultimate instant holiday upgrade. It arrives as a flat spiral, then pops up into a slim tinsel-covered tree loaded with shimmering sequins and 90 battery-powered LED lights. With 8 lighting modes, you can switch from calm glow to full party sparkle in seconds. Lightweight, foldable, and space-saving, it's perfect for apartments, porches, or offices where you want big, festive impact without storing a bulky tree or wrestling with tangled strings again. 5. HOLLO Star 7.5 feet pre-lit Christmas tree with 351 LED lights. The HOLLO Star 7.5-foot pre-lit pencil tree is for anyone who wants smart, customizable Christmas vibes. You get 351 RGBW LEDs you can control with an app, changing colors, brightness, and effects to match movies, music, or parties. With 1,053 branch tips, it still looks lush and full while staying skinny enough for tight corners. Flame-retardant PVC branches and a sturdy metal base keep it safe, stable, and ready to impress year after year without dominating smaller living room spaces. 6. 3FT Premium Hinged Artificial Holiday. Small mini Christmas tree for tabletop. The DUUDO 3-foot mini Christmas tree is perfect when you want full festive energy in a small space. Hinged branches and flame-retardant PVC tips fluff into a dense, realistic pine that can actually hold garlands, mini ornaments, and ribbon. Setup takes just 3 simple steps, and the compact footprint fits tabletops, counters, and office desks easily. It's a great second tree for bedrooms, kitchens, or workspaces where you still want that cozy Christmas glow without committing to a full-size tree. 7. Hykolity 6-foot pre-lit snow-flocked Christmas tree. This 6-foot Hykolity snow-flocked tree looks like it came straight from a winter cabin. With 1,032 dense branch tips and 250 warm white lights already woven through, it gives you that soft, cozy glow with a full, realistic silhouette. The hinged design means the branches swing into place quickly, and a heavy-duty folding metal stand keeps everything stable. It's ideal if you love that snowy, high-end look without dragging a real frosted tree indoors or dealing with constant messy puddles. 8. YITAHOME Prelit Pre-Decorated Pine Christmas Tree 6 feet with remote. The YITAHOME 6-foot pre-lit pre-decorated pine tree is for people who want a designer look straight out of the box. You get 818 frosted tips, 58 pine cones, 58 red berries, and 250 LEDs you can control by remote, with multiple colors, modes, timers, and brightness levels. Hinged sections make assembly fast, and the X-shaped iron stand keeps it steady. It's an easy way to get that magazine-ready Christmas aesthetic in minutes, not hours. without buying extra garlands or decor. 9. 3-foot pre-lit Christmas tree. This 3-foot pre-lit GTPLAYER Christmas tree is a compact showpiece with serious presence. It comes in a snow-flocked weighted pot and is wrapped with 78 bright LEDs powered by batteries, so you can place it anywhere without chasing outlets. Snowy needles and red berries give it a cozy winter forest look. A built-in 6-hour timer keeps the lights on schedule automatically, making it perfect for entry tables, mantels, reception desks, or apartment balconies where you want warm, inviting holiday glow effortlessly. 10. Hykolity 7.5 feet pre-lit artificial pencil slim Christmas tree. The Hykolity 7.5-foot pre-lit pencil tree is ideal if you want a tall statement tree but don't have a huge living room. It's slim, flocked, and loaded with 300 color-changing LEDs you control with a foot pedal, offering 10 light colors and effects. With 792 branch tips, it still looks full and natural. Hinged branches, a foldable metal stand, flame-retardant PVC, and a 1-year warranty make it a reliable long-term holiday upgrade that feels premium without a designer-level price tag. 11. 5-foot pre-lit artificial Christmas tree. This Bulick artificial Christmas tree goes for that high-end snowy lodge look. Packed with 2,178 PE/PVC tips, it fluffs out into a thick, realistic profile dotted with pine cones and red berries for instant decor. The snow-frosted branches create a soft winter vibe that works with warm white lights or colorful strings. Fireproof, non-allergenic materials and a sturdy metal stand make it a smart long-term choice if you want a full, photo-ready tree without dealing with real needle mess ever again. 12. 6-foot per-lit snow-flocked Christmas tree. The Duoka Now. 6-foot pre-lit snow-flocked tree is all about fast setup with big visual payoff. Steel memory-shaped branches spring into form, so you skip the hour-long fluffing session. With 779 tips and 300 warm white lights, it looks rich, bright, and evenly lit right out of the box. Flame-resistant PVC needles and a foldable metal base keep things safe and stable. It's perfect if you want that dreamy, snowy look and lit tree in minutes, not an afternoon. 13. Garvey 6-foot Christmas tree. The Garvey 6-foot slim pencil tree is designed for tight spaces that still need a big holiday moment. At 35 inches wide with a tall, narrow profile, it tucks into corners, hallways, and office spots without hogging floor space. PVC and PE tips give it a realistic pine look, while warm white lights wrap the branches for a cozy glow. A metal stand and easy-assemble sections make this a solid go-to tree for apartments, small living rooms, or store displays. 14. Bright Ever 4-foot Christmas tree with warm white LED lights. This 4-foot Bright Ever tree is a fully dressed mini showpiece. It comes pre-lit with warm white LEDs, decorated with classic red berries, pine cones, and a stylish gift box base that hides the stand. The dense branches mimic real pine, so it looks premium even up close. Designed for porches, tabletops, desks, or balconies, it plugs in for steady brightness all season. If you want instant holiday charm with zero DIY decorating, this is a plug-and-play upgrade that looks professionally styled. 15. Hykolity 6-foot pre-lit pencil slim Christmas tree with 200 warm white LED lights. The Hykolity 6-foot pre-lit pencil tree is built for small rooms that still want tall tree drama. With a slim footprint and 544 PVC branch tips, it looks surprisingly full while staying compact. 200 warm white LEDs are pre-strung, so the lighting is even and tangle-free. Hinged branches and a foldable metal stand make setup and storage simple. Non-flammable materials keep it safe for family spaces. It's an easy, space-saving way to get that classic glowing Christmas corner every year. 16. Wongchow Craft 20-inch mini pink Christmas tree. This Wongchow Craft 20-inch pink tree is pure aesthetic fun for desks, vanities, and bedside tables. It comes with warm lights, a star topper, and a full ornament set, so your pink Christmas theme is ready straight out of the box. The compact tabletop size fits dorms, offices, or kids' rooms easily. It's perfect as a second personality tree for content creators, teens, or anyone who loves kawaii, pastel vibes while still getting cozy holiday lighting without a big footprint. 17. 2-foot tabletop Christmas tree with 50 LED lights. This 2-foot Lehigh pre-lit mini tree is designed for quick, cordless decorating. It comes with 50 battery-powered LED lights, so you can drop it on a desk, shelf, or countertop without needing an outlet nearby. The burlap-wrapped base gives it a rustic farmhouse look that pairs nicely with neutral or traditional decor. Compact but full, it's great for small apartments, offices, or bedrooms. If you want that warm holiday glow in secondary spaces, this little tree gets the job done effortlessly. 18. Ideal House 7.5-foot Prelit Pencil Christmas Tree. The Ideal House 7.5-foot Prelit pencil tree brings big height with a sleek, narrow body, making it ideal for foyers, corners, and porches. Hundreds of dense PVC tips mimic real pine, while dual LED lighting lets you switch between looks for different moods. A durable metal stand and flame-resistant needles hold up indoors or outdoors. With simple 3-step assembly and easy-to-fluff branches, this is a smart pick if you want a tall, elegant statement tree that doesn't eat up your entire living room. 19. 3-foot Prelit Mini Xmas Tree with multi-mode LED lighting. This 3-foot YITAHOME Prelit tree is a compact centerpiece with lots of detail. Snowy branches, red berries, and a decorative snowflake base give it a winter forest feel, while 78 pre-strung lights handle the glow. Battery power and a built-in timer keep it cord-free and automatic. 6 hours on, 6 hours off, 18 off. It's perfect for entry tables, office receptions, or small apartments where you want serious holiday impact in a small footprint, without remembering to plug or unplug lights every single night. 20. Annecy 6-foot Prelit Christmas Tree. The Annecy 6-foot Prelit white spruce tree is made to stand out on camera and in real life. With 970 tips and a full silhouette, it looks lush and premium, while 250 integrated LEDs can switch between warm white and multicolor modes. The semi-automatic hinged design makes assembly and fluffing much easier. Fire-resistant PVC branches and a sturdy metal base keep it durable. It's a fantastic main tree if you want that snow-white, modern aesthetic that instantly brightens any room or backdrop. 21. N&T Knighting Pop-Up Christmas Tree with lights and 30 balls. The N&T Knighting 5-foot pop-up tree is perfect for fast decorators and tight storage spaces. It collapses into a flat tinsel spiral, then pops up into a slim pencil tree already wrapped with lights and 30 matching ball ornaments. A 3D star topper finishes the look, so styling is basically done for you, lightweight yet eye-catching. It's great for apartments, offices, hallways, and party corners, where you need instant Christmas energy without hauling around or storing a bulky full-size tree. Now you've seen how the right Christmas tree can change your whole holiday vibe, from tiny tabletops to tall scene stealers. If this helped you pick your favorite, hit like so I know to make more videos like this, share it with a friend who's still tree shopping, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next round of cozy holiday deals.